it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing working on yourself before you work on your relationship with others.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to.
If you're new to my channel, my name's Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower people to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoy the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so my video can reach more people. So if you are struggling to improve your relationship with somebody else, think about how you are within yourself. A lot of times you figure, oh, I will be better, I will feel better if my relationship with my significant other is better, or if my relationship with my friend is better. But in reality, you got to put yourself first. I know it might be difficult or feel as though you're being selfish, which you kind of are, but like in a positive way, to focus on yourself before you focus on other people. But that's literally the best way to improve your overall life. You cannot improve a relationship if you have not improved yourself. If you haven't figured out who you are, if you haven't figured out how you want to live, what your values are, anything like that, it'll be extremely difficult to have a functioning, proper relationship with others. There'll always be something going wrong. And you also may get more down on yourself if your relationship with that person isn't going well. Especially if you really like them and they are a good person, it just makes things more difficult. So understand that you're not doing anything for anybody if you are not taking care of yourself first. I know that I say this like all the time, but I just want to make sure it's clear for you to understand. If you want to improve your relationship with somebody else, you need to improve your relationship with yourself. Get to know yourself, date yourself, and I'm not saying that you have to break up with whoever you're with or end a friendship with whoever you have friendship with, but I am saying that you need to put more time into yourself, invest in yourself, and date yourself. I hope that this was beneficial to you. Put yourself first more often. Like I said, I'm not telling you to not care about other people. I'm not telling you to end things with people. All I'm saying is that you need to start something with yourself and put yourself first more often and do what it is that's best for you. And trust me, in the end, it'll be worth it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so that way it can reach more people. And also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Stay tuned for the recommended videos after. If you're interested in one-on-one coaching or group coaching, definitely check the link in the description below so that way you can book your free connection call with me. We will be discussing what it is you're dealing with, what goals you have, and if my program can actually help you. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
All growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.